Good morning, students. We started problem set number 14. In that we did sums based on multiplication, numerical multiplication. Today we are going to start the word problem. So whenever we have the word problem, just read the sum carefully. Try to understand what they are asking and what they are given. According to the given information, we come to know what they are actually asking, and we have to do the multiplication and find out the answer. And at the last, we have necessary to write our answer in a statement. So let's see. Here we have word problem, question number 2. As part of the avoid plastic campaign, each of 745 students, this 745 is a number of students, made 25 paper bags. 25 paper bags means each students make 25 paper bags, and total number of students are 745. What was the total number of paper bags? Means what was the total number of paper bags they are asking. So let's start. Whenever you have the numbers in your sums, just concentrate on that. If there are 745 students and one made 25, how we can get the total number of bags? We have to multiply between these two numbers. So let's start. 745, that is total number of students. Yes, multiply by 25, that is made by each students, bags made by each student. Now do the multiplication. Let's start. 5. We have to read the table of 5 till 5 times. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry. Again 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. Again 2 carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37. Now we have to multiply by 2. That is at the place of tens. Whenever we are starting multiplication by the digit at the tens place, we have to write 0 at unit place. Now we have to start. 2 5s are 10. 0 is here. 1 we have to take carry, as because the digit at unit place we are taking down, and the digit at the tens place we are taking the carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 7s are 14. We did that. Put the sign of plus. Do the addition of these two. You can get 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 7 plus 9, 16, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8 and 1. So 18,625. What is this? This is the total number of bags. Total number of bags. Now we have to write the answer in the same way what they are asking. They are asking what was the total number of paper bags made. The total number of paper bags are made are 18,625. This way we have to write at the last our statement of answer. Now we completed our sums. Move to the next sum. That is, in a plantation, there is a tree plantation campaign. Saplings of 250 medicinal trees have been planted. In each of the 132 rows of trees, how many saplings are there in the plantation altogether? Means there are 132 rows, and how many saplings we have? 250. Now we have to find how many trees should be planted altogether. So let's start. First we have 215. That is what? Saplings of medicinal trees. So number of saplings multiply by 132. that is number of rows. Now we have to do the multiplication. We should start by the unit place, that is 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 2s are 4. Now we have to start by with the digit at the tens place, that is 3. So we have to put 0 at unit place. Now we have to start 3 5s are 15. 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 2s are 6. Again we have to multiply by the digit at 100 place. So whenever we are multiplying by the digit at 100 place, we have to put 0 at unit as well as at tens place. Now we have to start 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. Put the sign of plus. Now we are going to do the addition of all these three numbers. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. 3 plus 5 8 plus 0 8. 4 plus 4 8 plus 5 13. 1 carry, 1 plus 6 7 plus 1 8 and 2 as it is. So that is 28,380. What is this? That is nothing else. That is the answer what they are asking. We have to write in the same form. How many saplings are there in the plantation altogether? So there are 28,380 saplings altogether in plantation. This way we have to conclude our answer. Now move for the next sum. Here we have the sum number 4, that is one computer cost rupees 27,540. How much will 18 such computers cost? We have the cost of one computer and we want to find the total cost of 18. So let's start multiplication. 27,540, that is cost of one computer. Yes, multiply by 18. 18 is what? That is number of computer. Let's start the multiplication. We have to start by the 18. 18 zeros are 0. 18 fours are 32. 2 will be here and 3 carry. 8 5s are 40 plus 3 43. 4 carry. 8 7s are 56 plus 4 60. 6 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 6, that is 22. Now we have to multiply by the 1 that is at the place of tens. So we have to put 0 at unit place. Again 1 zeros are 0, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 2s are 2. Now we have to add these two numbers. We'll get the answer. 0, 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 4 7, 0 plus 5 5, 7 plus 2 9, 2 plus 2 4. This will get 4,95,720. That is what cost of 18 computer. Now we have to write the answer in the same statement what they are asking. The cost of 18 such computers will be rupees 4,95,720. So this way we have to conclude our answer. Come for the next sum. Sum number 6. This is also the same sums like that. If we have certain two-wheeler cost rupees 53,670, how much will 35 such two-wheelers cost? So we have to start by the total cost of one two-wheeler. So that is 53,670. That is cost of one two-wheeler multiply by the total number of two-wheeler, that is 35. So that is number of two-wheeler. We have to do the multiplication. 5 zeros are 0, 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry, 5 sixes are 30, plus 3, 33, again 3 carry, 5 threes are 15, plus 3, 18, 1 carry, 5 fives are 25, plus 1, 26. Now we have to do the multiplication by 3. So we have to put 0 at unit place, as because 3 is at the place of tens. 3 zeros are 0, 3 sevens are 21, so 2 carry, 3 sixes are 18, plus 2, 20, 0 here and 2 carry, 3 threes are 9, plus 2, 11, 1 carry, 3 fives are 15, plus 1, 16. Put the sign of plus. Now we have to add these two numbers. 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, 8 plus 0, 8, 6 plus 1, 7, 6 plus 2, 8 and 1. So it will become 18,78,450. That is total cost of 35 two-wheelers. So now we have to write the answer in the same form. They are asking how much will 35 such two-wheelers cost. So such 35 two-wheelers cost rupees 18,78,450. This way we have to conclude our answer. Now move to the next question, that is the sum number 7. 1 hour has 3600 seconds, that we all know. In 1 minute we have 60 seconds and in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So in 1 hour we have 3600 seconds. How many seconds do 365 hours have? That is nothing else. We have to do the multiplication. 3600, that is seconds in 1 hour. Yes, multiply by the 365, that is number of hours. Do the multiplication. Let's start. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 sixes are 30, 3 carry, 5 threes are 15 plus 3, 18. We did by the multiplication by 5. Now we have to multiply by 6, so put the 0 at unit place. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 sixes are 36, again 6, 3 carry, 6 threes are 18 plus 3, 21. So we have to write here. Now we have to multiply by 3. As because 3 is in the 100 place, put 2 zeros at unit and tens place. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 sixes are 18, 1 carry, 3 threes are 9 plus 1, 10. Now put the sign of plus. Do the addition of these 3 numbers. Unit place we have 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1, 3, plus 8, that is 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 0, 3 and 1. So we get 13,14,000, that is what? Seconds in 365 hours. So therefore answer we have to write, there are 13,14,000 seconds in 365 hours. So this way we have to conclude our answer. We have one more sum. See, find the product of the biggest 3-digit number and biggest 4-digit number. Whenever we are talking about the biggest number, So the things comes in our mind, that is 9. If you are talking about the 1 digit biggest number, that is 9. 2 digit biggest number, that is 2 times we have to write, that is 99. So 4 digit number, that is 4 times we have to write 999. And whenever we are talking 3 digit, we have to write 3 times 9. So let's do the multiplication. Product means we are going to do the multiplication. That is biggest 4 digit number multiplied by 999. That is also biggest 3 digit number. Let's start the multiplication. 9 9s are 81, 1 here and 8 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 8, 89, 9 here and again 8 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 8, 89, 8 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 8, that is 89. We did that. After that we have to write again, multiply with this second 9, that is at the place of 10. So put 0. 9 9s are 81, 1, 8 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 8, 89, 8 carry. 9 9s are 81, again we have to add 8, we get 89, 8 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 8, 89. Now we have to multiply with this number 9 at the place of 100. So first we have to put 2 zeros. Again we start. 9 9s are 81, 8 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 8, 89, again 8 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 8, 89, 8 carry. 9 9s are 81 plus 8, 89. So this way we have to write all these 3 numbers. Now we are going to do the addition of these 3. 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 0, 10, that is 0. 1 carry. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 9, 19 plus 1, 20, 0. 2 carry. 2 plus 9, 11 plus 9, 20 plus 9, 29. 2 carry. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 9, 19 plus 9, that is 28. 2 carry. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 9, 19. 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9. So we can say 99 lakhs 89,001. That is what product of biggest 3 and 4 digit number. Now we have to write the answer also. The product of biggest 3 and 4 digit number is 99 lakhs 89,001. This way we have to conclude our answer. So we learned how we are going to do the multiplication of the word problem. So we did 6 sums today. So the 3 sums left, that is question number 5, question number 8, question number 10 or the problem set number 14. You have to do the sums the same way whatever we did in the video. Just read the sum, try to understand it, get the numbers, numerical numbers what they are asking, do the multiplication and write down the answers. And don't forget whatever you are writing. At the side you can see over here, we are written this way, you should be right there. What we are getting, that also you have to write at the last, conclude your answer. So this way you have to complete your homework and submit it in a group on the Friday. Thank you so much.